How to work ChatGPT. ChatGPT works by using advanced machine learning techniques to understand and generate human-like responses to text-based queries or messages. Here's a general overview of how ChatGPT works. 1. Input. The user provides input to ChatGPT in the form of text-based queries or messages. 2. Natural language processing. NLP. ChatGPT uses NLP techniques to analyze the input text and understand the intent of the user. This includes breaking down the input into individual words, identifying the parts of speech, and parsing the sentence structure. 3. Deep learning. ChatGPT uses deep learning algorithms to generate appropriate responses based on the input received. It draws upon its vast repository of language data to generate responses that are contextually appropriate, grammatically correct, and relevant to the user's query. 4. Output. ChatGPT generates a text-based response to the user's input, which can be displayed on a chat interface or communicated through other means. 5. Learning. ChatGPT learns from its interactions with users and continuously improves its performance based on user feedback and additional training data. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other in the digital age.